Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do this makeup, and this is the perfect summer daytime makeup, and especially in Kolkata when it is so hot and humid. It is like crazy hot here. It is so hot and humid in Kolkata, plus I've managed to catch cold. That's why you hear this nasal sound. Like, I don't know if you can make it out, but there's a difference between my actual voice and this one. This is a bit more nasally and it can be annoying at times, I know. Worst feeling in the summer is to have cold. I think this makeup is very subtle to wear during the daytime, and also very light and very fresh, and it's got a hint of color as well. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm not going to use any primer today. I just don't want to, because I am trying to use as much less product as I can. The first product I'm going to use is the foundation, and for the foundation I'm using my favorite, absolute favorite. It's the MAC Face and Body, and I'm in the shade C4. If you have a tinted moisturizer, then you can go with that, or if you have a BB cream or CC cream, you can go with that. The reason why I'm going with this is because it is a very lightweight and sheer foundation, which is ideal for summers. I'm not going to use too much. I'm just going to have a sheer coverage all over my face. Foundation done. Now I'm going to conceal my under eyes, and I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This is a very good concealer. Like really less quantity. Now I'm going to blend it with my fingers just so that it gives a very natural finish. And I'm not going to apply it on top of my eyelids to avoid any creases. Now I'm going to use this Bharat Dorris loose powder to set my under eyes. And I'm going to use this Body Shop Face and Body brush. And after applying it under my eyes, whatever is left, I just lightly dust it all over my face. And I'm not going to bake it, I'm just going to remove it immediately. Like, I just let it stay under my eyes for just about 10-15 seconds. Done with my base. Now I'm going to go with my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm using this LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette, and I'm going to fill in wherever I have any gaps. Now I'm going to set my brows with this Miss Claire Colorlash All The Wear Transparent Mascara. I'm just going to skip the bronzer and the highlighter because it is so hot and humid. I want to use as much less product as I can. Okay, now I'm going to use this Body Shop single eyeshadow, and it's a beautiful bronze color. It is in the shade Bronze Bliss, and I'm going to apply it with my fingers just all over my eyelids. A very light layer. Just a very light layer of the bronze. This brush is a very small, tiny, flat brush. So I'm going to take my Incolor Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to use this purple color. You can use any purple color you want, or if you have a purple eyeliner, you can use the purple eyeliner. That would work best. Since I don't have a purple eyeliner, I'm just going to do it with my eyeshadow. So starting from the middle, just want to kind of drag it outside, just like that. And if you want, you can just pull it out a little as a wing, or you can just stop right here. If you have a colored eye pencil, that would obviously save a lot of time. This makes your eyes really bright. Now I'm going to line my waterline, and I'm going to use my Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Classic Brown, and then just kind of smudge it with your fingers. For my lips, I'm using this Avon Ultra Glimmerstick Lip Liner in the shade Nude, and I'm just going to outline my lips and also fill my lips with it. Since I already have color on my eyes, I'm going to use a nude shade for my lips. And for my lips, I'm using Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Toffee Nexus. And I'm just going to dab it on my lips. The blush I'm going to use is my all-time favorite blush. It's from Body Shop and it is in the shade Truffle. And I'm going to use my QVS blusher brush to apply my blush. I just can't deal with the cold. I just had a little bit of powder under my eyes because it was looking really tired. It happens when you have cold, right? You look tired, you feel tired, so that's what's happening with me. I think I'm gonna leave it at this because I think that this is a perfect makeup to wear during the day during summer especially, and I love it.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to curl my lashes in my mascara. That's why I was feeling that something is missing.
I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara, and I'm using the Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. And I'm going to be very careful not to spoil the eyeliner that I already have. I'm not going to apply falsies because it's summer, you're going to sweat, and I just want it to be as natural as possible. I think it is really subtle. At the same time, it's got a hint of color and I love it. And it's very light for summers also, and it's a perfect makeup to wear during the daytime. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other videos. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.